Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing tools and making the first cuts. Strip about 1/2 inch of the outer jacket. This exposes the 4 twisted pairs. Once done, untwist only as much as necessary. Keep most twists intact to preserve signal. Now align the cable so the pairs lay flat. Make a clean square cut across the wires with your scissors. This first step sets the stage for accurate wiring, so take a steady, measured approach and keep the cut ends even. Once the ends are neat, choose T568B or T568A and order the wires accordingly. Consistency matters for proper networking. Flatten the pairs and line them up in the correct color sequence, then trim them square to about 1/2 inch from the jacket so they insert evenly. Make sure the contacts face up and that each conductor reaches the gold pins. Gently push the cable until the jacket seats inside the plug. You now crimp the plug, place it in the crimper and squeeze firmly until you hear a decisive click. That secures the contacts and strain relief. Once crimped, use a continuity or cable tester to verify each pin and check for shorts or miswires. If the tester shows an issue, restrip 1/2 inch, recheck the wire order, and try a new plug. Make sure to secure the jacket under the plug's strain relief and label the cable for future troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.